Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got a 2008 Chevy Aveo, and there is a problem going on in this car. Whenever we start the car, so whenever we start the car and we turn on the fan, it doesn't get on automatically. So whenever, just say like if we wanna run the fan on 4, it doesn't work. It doesn't come on. I think I can show you. Just give me a second. Ignition is on. Right now it's working, but sometime when you gonna turn it on, it's not gonna on. So you have to tap below to turn it on. So the reason of not turning on, that's the reason. That's our resistor. That's our blower motor. Every time we have to hit on this to make it run. So that's the resistor that goes bad. So we have to change that. Sometime you're gonna see that the fan gonna work on number 2 or number 3, but not gonna work on number 4 or number 1, right? Sometimes it's gonna work only number 4, not gonna work on 1, 2, 3. So main reason for this is the bad resistor. So to open this up, it's a pretty easy job. You can do it at home. There are 2 screws. You can open it up and you can change it. First of all, you can unplug that socket. Here you go. It's pretty heavy to take it out. So yeah, let me show you. So you can just need a screwdriver to open this up. So let's open it. So here is our screwdriver. Once it's open, you can just pull it out. So see, that's how bad it is. I think there is a moisture in that's why it goes bad. You can see the carbon. Yeah. So we are replacing it with a new one. We got it from Amazon, so I'll show you guys. So here's the new one. It's a little bit long, but it doesn't matter, right? As long as the socket is same, right? You can see. So you can put it back. Like this, and then you can tighten the screw, these 2 screw, and that's all. That's how you can cheap fix your car. If something wrong with the blower motor and blower motor is not coming on and fan is not working, so that's how you guys can change or have a look, because it's a cheap fix, right? If your car does the same thing after changing that, then your blower motor is bad, then you can change your blower motor. But that's the first try you can give it to your car before going to any mechanic. So yeah, that's how all you can do. So thank you guys for like my video and subscribe my channel if you really like my video. If you have any question, you can comment me down. Just let me know. Thank you so much guys. Have a good one.